Modern Physics, second semester, chapter 6. Photoelectric cells are used to convert light energy into electrical energy. Einstein photoelectric equation is h nu minus h nu naught equal to half mv square max. In a photoelectric effect, the emission of electron is due to electromagnetic radiation. Phenomena of photoelectric effect is instantaneous process. The photoelectric current will be zero at potential stopping potential. The energy of a photon is both A and V, inversely proportional to wavelength and directly proportional to frequency. The momentum and wavelength of a photon are related as lambda is equal to h by p. The phenomena of ejection of electron from the surface of metal when light of a suitable wavelength falls on it is known as photoelectric effect. The energy of a photon is given by Pc. The photoelectric threshold of a certain metal surface is 330 degree Armstrong. What is the maximum kinetic energy of a photoelectron release, if any, by a radiation wavelength? No electron is emitted. A solar cell converts solar energy into electrical energy. The photoelectrons emitted from metal surface have speed varying from 0 up to a certain maximum value. The photoelectric emission from a surface of a metal starts only when the light incident on a surface has a certain minimum frequency. The work function of aluminum surface is 4.125 eV. The cutoff wavelength of a photoelectric effect for this surface is 3000 Armstrong. That is used to make solar cell silicon. Light emitted by a laser is highly monochromatic, highly directional, highly coherent. All of this. HNE laser is 4-level laser. Laser action is found in semiconductor. That's direct band gap. Laser radiation is highly monochromatic. HN laser is a continuous laser in spontaneous emission. Both A and B atoms are initially transition without any aids of an external agency. Lasers are used in melting, cutting, hole drilling, welding, surface, all of this. HN laser gives dash color laser red. Highly coherent beam is produced. Laser light. X-ray are emitted when high energy electron hit a substance of high molecular weight. X-ray are electromagnetic radiation. X-ray are electromagnetic radiation. In a collide tube, the electron are focused on a target by using an electron gun. To produce an X-ray in a collide tube, we should increase the potential difference across the cathode and anti-cathode. The volume of X-ray is order of Armstrong, 10 to the power minus 10 meter. The X-ray are electromagnetic radiation. X-ray are produced due to change in the atomic energy level.